Hello, wonderful people of the great World Wide Web. Welcome to the Subtime channel and my motorcycle ride series titled What's Next? Taking a short sunset ride through the rolling hills of Pašman Island, located in the Adriatic Sea just south of Zadar, Croatia, was a perfect picturesque gateway. Let's find out what's next. This charming island with an area of 60 square kilometers is a favorite among tourists seeking authentic Mediterranean adventure. Alongside the stunning views, nice beaches and crystal clear waters, Pašman Island is also rich in cultural history with a plethora of ancient churches and monuments scattered throughout its towns and villages. Whether you are looking to immerse yourself in the local culture or simply revel in the island's natural beauty, Pašman is undoubtedly worth a visit. Next time I return to Pašman Island, I am excited to explore more of its paths. After my crazy trip from Zagreb to Zadar, which you can watch in my 3-part video series titled My First Adventure, I decided to take a break for a few days on Pašman Island. For the first 2 days I just rested, ate and slept because I was completely exhausted. Additionally, with the scorching heat making any form of activity seem like a recipe for sweat-induced misery, there weren't many options for entertainment. And truth to be told, sunbathing doesn't exactly top my list of thrilling pastimes. So I embraced my inner reptilian spirit and transformed into a bona fide terrace-dwelling lizard, basking in the cool shade like a champion of leisure. I lounged lazily, soaking up the good vibes and channeling my inner slut. On the third and final day of my stay on Pašman Island, I decided to go for a short sunset ride. However, since it was scorching hot during the day, I set off a bit later than I intended, leaving me only about 30-40 minutes of daylight. Nonetheless, the ride was spectacular, offering breathtaking views of the setting sun. I took the road along the southern coast of Pašman, which boasts an incredible view of the Kornati Islands and Dugi Otok. Dugi Otok translated to English means Long Island. It's not a technically demanding road, rather it's a well-maintained gravel road that can easily be navigated. The only thing I regret is not making a single stop to capture the mesmerizing sunset in photos or videos. Unfortunately, as the sun dipped below the horizon, darkness was approaching rapidly, and as an inexperienced rider, I prefer to steer clear of night riding, especially on dirt roads. However, fear not. On my next visit to Pašman Island, I'm determined to embark on the same road once more and ensure that I capture the essence of this breathtaking view in stunning photos and videos. So stay tuned and get ready to be dazzled. Alright, enough of my chattering. I let you savor the scenery with the soothing sound of the wind, my powerful engine and some music. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment. And if you want to see more of my novice motorcycle rider adventures, be sure to subscribe. Stay safe and keep exploring.